currency. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay?
Right? Like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever more. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as
forever more.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
All right, man. Oh, yes. What is going on, man? This is Gerald Peters. Welcome to the MFG Bitcoin Trade Report with GP here, man. That's me. And listen, I believe that anybody, regardless of age, race, sex, or even your current financial situation, anybody in America can become financially independent in the next 5 to 7 years. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Hey, click that QR code if you're not on the Bitcoin Trade Report email. It's totally free. You might want to consider getting on the Peters Report and our second income stream letter. So let's pull up a chart of Bitcoin here. And let's see if that comes up. Oh, hold on. Boom. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. So we got Bitcoin at 112,786. And what you're going to see here is we are in a channel. Bitcoin loves to get in these channels where, let's see, let's take this one down a little bit. Now, a channel is exactly what you see here. The price puts in these connecting points. We need several points to create the channel. But that's what we have here. We have Bitcoin moving sideways, kind of like a stage 1 or a stage 3. A stage 1 is a 3. A 2 is the same as a decline. They're just going opposite directions, man. So don't overthink this. We have, no Bitcoin's in a trading range between 122,500 and 107,500. So it's a pretty wide range. Bitcoin is known for doing these $10,000, $12,000 ranges. That's the daily chart. So, we'll see. We're starting to get some rollover action. This is not good here. The only thing, that maybe might save this rally is the fact that we're in a channel. So it'll bounce off this 107.5. If I was looking to short some Bitcoin, that's probably what I would do, is look at taking, trying to take it down to here. But, maybe this bounces because it did right here a little earlier. Boom, right there. And it's stopping right there. So maybe the line in the sand, so to speak, of support and resistance are moving or changing organically as price moves on. But as you know, I trade on a 30-minute chart. So we're going to take this. Yeah, let's save this. We're going to save this to the Money Flow Trade Ideas chart pack that is on stockcharts.com, completely free. You can go look at it. If you're a Stock Charts member, you can look at my folders, look at almost over 100 stocks that we track, the MFG trade desk tracks inside Money Flow Trading Society. Let's see here. All right, let me pull up this 30-minute chart, and here we go. 30-minute chart. So here's what we're seeing on 30-minute chart right now. Bitcoin's at 112,734. This is the weakness we saw. This is, we can now dig in and we can see this support and resistance. And there's this sideways action that's happening with this channel. Here's the low of it, and up in here is the high of it, because we're only on a 30-minute chart here, okay? So each one of these bars is a 30-minute period of time. And we're doing the same thing. We're looking for the 4 stages of price movement. We're looking for the money flow stage 1. We're looking for the breakout. We're looking for it to run up so we can take some gains, watch it come in, and maybe and or short and or hedge, or just let it come in and wait for the next stage 1 so you can build your position. So there's a lot of ways to use the money flow other than just trading in and out. Let's see. But yeah, so I got upside target of about 114,500 and 115,500. Downside target, if we continue down, which we just got the MACD bearish signal or sell signal, and the MACD, or excuse me, the TSI, True Strength Index, and on the MACD, we see it broke the center line and the momentum is to the downside. So it looks like this may not work. You're going to see in the letter I'm going to send out today that I think we're going to be bullish. I still think that, but I could easily be wrong. Hold on, I'm day trading here. Cover things I wanted to cover with you here. So yeah, we're still okay here. You know, we got the little channel going on right here. And I'll send you this chart, okay? If you're on the email list. If you're not, simply hit that QR code. You can also go over, let's see. Let's see. All right. Oh, that's the wrong one. That's not ready yet. Let's see. Yeah, so hit the QR code up there to get on the email letter. Totally free of charge. And if you're looking for people to trade with, man, we send out, we have a Discord, a community, like-minded people just looking to go a bit richer every day, and send out text alerts when I make moves to help support the money flow trading system, the book, and let you see in real time and live time the author of the strategy, trade the strategy. And I think that's a big help. And I'm going to read you one I got today. Someone texted me in today. So I got this text in the mail today. I'm assuming he probably won't mind. Oh, he just said, absolutely, feel free to use it. He says, a year ago, my old 401k was in some stagnant mutual funds, barely getting any returns. I started following you because the professor was hyping you up. Snagging some Bitto in your book, the Money Flow Trading System, about the time November came, I joined the SIS program. That's our second income stream. You know, we have 6 different strategies we trade inside the Money Flow. And he says he got serious about this in his account, and boom, he's sitting at 108% increase. 108%. What you focus on grows, which I just said earlier. I never could have imagined that a regular old blue-collar dude like me could do this. Your strategy and your system will live long after you. That's something I talk about, hoping that it does. Don't let those damn D's of life get you down. I truly appreciate you. So that's pretty cool, man. The 4 Ds are death, divorce, disease, disinterest. Yeah, so Bitcoin's not looking too bad. We'll see if this holds. This 107.5 needs to hold. If that breaks, you know, we got a nice little downtrend going. I don't think we're going to have that problem, though. Let's see. Yeah, hit the QR code. I'm going to drop in see if it'll let me. Hold on. This is the MFG Trade Report with GP. Let's see. Taking a new. So anyway, you'll see in here. This is Bitcoin news. We're still developing this, okay? And if you're interested in being involved in that project, let me know. Let's see. Check in on notes. I leave notes on Bitcoin, and we'll try to get this a little more wrapped up. You can always get to the Peters report there. That's our main flagship letter for the money flow. Let's see. Yeah. So get on there, get signed up, man, and you'll get an email from me later today with the day, the 30-minute chart, daily chart. I'll break it down, and some news. A couple things that I did see that are worth the interest before we get off of here is, let's see, 5 things to know about Bitcoin this week. Big buyers step in. Strive and Similar are, I don't know who these people are. I guess they're companies, are loading up now, holding 10,900 BTC, which is $1.2 billion. Institutions keep treating Bitcoin like digital gold. Thing you should know, number 2, $1 billion in liquidations. Leverage junkies just got smoked. One of the biggest long wipeouts of 2025. Poof! The game punishes FOMO. So just as they're saying people are buying a billion got taken out. They must have used that liquidity to take profits. Regulators move. U.S. plus U.K. just announced a crypto task force to sync rules. Meanwhile, talk of a 401k crypto option is heating up in Washington, D.C. I heard that's a done deal. We shall see. 5 things you should know about Bitcoin. Number 4, price chops around 112K. Basically what we just said, is trading in a channel. Bitcoin dipped under 113, bounced back, still struggling at resistance. Support around 107.5, just like I said, and around 112 or 115.5 is resistance. Well, they're saying 107 to 110. I'd say 107.500. Resistance is 115. I said 114.5 to 115.5. So the bull case is number 5. The bull case is still alive, guys. Analysts flashing exhaustion signs, but institutions are stacking. Long-term structure is still bullish. Volatility is just the toll you pay, and it's the friend that helps you get paid. You need that shit to come down. If you fear volatility, you don't know what the fuck you're doing, man. Hey, God bless. Let me know if I can help you figure this thing out, man.
Of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay?
Right? Like